5,130 meters height. It's horrible up here, but it was an amazing ride and we passed through so many beautiful sceneries. So through Tibet we passed 3 or 4 mountain passes, 4,000, 4,000 and now the highest one, 5,000. It was an amazing day and now we are going down to get warm again. Oh my god, it's horrible. Yeah, what a way to start Sunday morning riding into Tibet and the Himalayas. How cool is that? So yesterday we slept in the Ching city. There was not much. The only thing to go there for is to see the view of the mountains from the hotel we stayed at. Hello cows! Hello cows! Oh, stay where you are, stay where you are. Good job, cow. I'm pretty sure we're going to do this for 10 hours today though. I won't call it a shitty day, but a pretty long day. It's going to be a very long day because... And a tunnel! We have a tunnel. What's on the other side? Oh, it's just the same. This is the gates! This is actually the gates, which could be the magnificent and majestic gate into Tibet. Cool! Okay, so we are at the gate to Tibet. It is right behind me. Looks pretty cool. No check here, just a gate. I think there will be a major checkpoint a little later, but yeah, we will see. So far nothing special, just a gate.
No right with them.
And now officially welcome to Tibet. How cool is that? It's now, I am officially entering Tibet. Woo! Woo! I'm in!
Okay, you guys.
Okay, so the way it works with us on our motorbikes in China, where we're not allowed to drive, is we have a support car behind us. We have all our papers. Whoa. Scooter. From time to time, there's a big checkpoints where we have to stop, talk to a police guy, and then we have to wait for the support car, who then will show up, show all our papers, then we can ride on. Alright, looks cool around this corner. It looks cool. It looks cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's nice. Yeah, so right now we are in 2,675 meters height. Yeah, we are going to this mountain pass in 5,000 meters height. And the last message was that there's snow up there at the moment, so it sounds pretty cold. Woohoo! Bridge and a truck. That truck was actually pretty close. Look at the view, look at the view. Donkeys! Hello, donkey. Why do you walk in front of me, donkeys? Goodbye, donkeys. Now we are in 4,000 meters height. Great, and then it rains. And it rains. That'll be fun. Slippery mountain roads in rain. That'll be very fun. Hello, big cow. This ride is really cool because it's like just cruising along in Tibet. And another gate. Cool. Beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful. And more cows or yaks. And it is actually snowing a little. Yeah, so now we are probably in the middle of a cloud. It is snowing and raining and it's getting colder. I have my very flashy rain pants on. Look at that, cool. My jacket should be waterproof, my gloves are not waterproof, but I have my heated grips. We are ready! Just bring the bad weather to Tibet, we are ready. Yeah, so we are over this first mountain range. We were in 4,400 meters and it was snowy and cloudy up there, so we couldn't see anything, but it was fun. Now we are descending and the bike feels better and better, and I feel better and better, and the weather is better and warmer. So we are back down in 2,650 meters and yeah, we went from 8 degrees on top to 18 degrees. Okay, so we are climbing once again. Now it's just going up, up, up. It was just so nice and warm down here, but there's a chance it will be very cold and rainy again. Okay, so back up in 3,228 meters. Roads are pretty bad here, but the view is great. We are all here stuck behind the car and the truck. Nice view, nice view. Then we are back in 3,762 kilometers and it starts to rain again. It was a fun ride up here though, because it's a bad road, so it was like I kind of woke up because I had to avoid all the holes. And nice view in the rain and sun on top of the snow, it's cool. Stupid cars, stupid cars. That guy has a long way home. Yes, so now we are climbing to 5,200 meter heights. We are currently sitting at 3,800 and it just goes up and up. It'll be exciting to see how the weather is up there. I hope it's some kind of clear so we can get a nice view. It's exciting to see how the bike feels up there, and especially also exciting to see how I feel up there. Now we are in 4,300 meters height and it started to rain again. It's a thing, every time we are above 4,000 meters then it starts to rain. But the scenery up here is cool. We are getting above the tree line and everything just looks like cold and boring but fascinating and pretty spectacular. It's nice, it's nice. So now it's 4,000 approximately 500 and it's snowing, it's 6 degrees, it's super windy and we cannot see anything. We are still around 4,500 and so far the bike is still feeling alright. Definitely not as powerful as it used to be, but it's fine. Now we are in 4,900 meters altitude and we're getting there. I start to feel my breath getting more and more rough. The bike is getting more and more weak, but both of us are still going strong. We are down to 3-4 degrees. It's snowing, it's windy, it's actually super cold. It's the top. 5,000 meters up. Quick stop when you're off. (5,130 meters height). It's horrible up here, but it was an amazing ride and we passed through so many beautiful sceneries, so this is fucking horrible. It's horrible. There's snow all over, it's cold, I'm wet, and we are doing photo shoots. And now a Chinese guy joins for a photo shoot with YJ. Now we are going down, finally. It's 0 degrees, it's snowing, I'm wet. My heated grips are trying to keep up. with my wet gloves. I literally can't see anything because I have snow and fog inside my visor. And the road is pretty slippery. This is really horrible. It's horrible. Yeah, and in a couple of days we are going to the base camp, which might be even more horrible. Or maybe there'll be good weather though, but today I have been the best place and the most amazing ride on my motorbike I ever tried, and now I am at the worst place I ever been on a motorbike. Alright, here we go! Let's get down! I can see more there. Let's get down, let's get down. The good thing about this is, the further we get down, the better the bike will ride, the better my breath will be, and the warmer it will be. Yeah, so right now, in almost 5,000, the bike is useless in 4th gear. 2nd gear alright, 3rd gear kind of alright, 4th gear useless. We just realized that we left a man behind. We don't know where he is. Cramping my heated grips. We left the man behind and we are not waiting anymore. We gave you 5 minutes, Miguel. He probably just met some of the other guys who were behind us. So if he crashed up there, they can pick him up. Our support car will also go there, so yeah. Don't worry about Miguel, he's American, he will make it. Now let's get down to more than 0 degrees, it would be very nice. And Morten just dropped something. I had to get off the bike to pick it up, and I suddenly realized how high up we are. Whew. Looks like I've been running a marathon. Alright. Crazy. Yeah. Whew, yeah, it stopped. Oh yeah, it stopped snowing. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, now it's time to enjoy the beautiful landscape and look at the snowy mountains. This is the first time I'm riding my motorbike on top of a snowy mountain. Look at this. What a view.